guys, welcome back to our channel for the second videos, the unboxing video for the fuel tank cap. This fuel tank cap is only for Defender 110, and we found the shape and the detail size of the Defender 90 and the Defender 110 fuel tank is a little bit different. So when we finish the design to install on the cars, Defender 90 comes a little bit problems to fit in. So this one is better for the Defender 110 car owners to change. So here's the unboxing videos for you guys reference. So when you receive the box, it seems a black box with the exchange and with a sticker on both sides. And when we open it, we will find what's inside of the box. There also comes the form. Remove it. Then you can see this is a fuel tank cap. Let's camera in advance to check the details of this product. I promise you will like it. When you remove the form, you will find the fuel tank cap inside of the postation, the box postation, and we can take it to see the details. There comes the wrap for the trans pattern, and we can remove the sticker. You will find it's very unique design because there comes the glass and also comes the covers to make it look very industrial style. And we can also remove these stickers to see how's the final look of the products. The black and the high growth silver makes the products looks very luxury. And some customers also ask me how to the replacement for this one, for the original ones. We can check the bracket. It's same bracket for the original one. So when we remove the one from the original car, we can replacement directly and it will be work. And there comes the 3M stickers for you fix the products. It will be help you a lot. And one more thing, we can find this one. The cover we can painting as our need. If your car comes across black, you can painting the cover black. If your car comes other colors like the brown, like the green, like the white, like the gray, you can painting the cover to make it complete like original cars coming with fuel tank caps. I like it very much because it's very special design and even never see it in the market before. So if you are the person who want to be different with others, I think this one is the best choice for have a special Defender 110 car. So that's all, and we will make the videos for the installation for you guys reference in the future. So thank you very much for your watching, and don't forget to subscribe our PLUMB YouTube channel.